Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we try to share the most memorable journey of Ain Zoo, where adventure meets nature. This is a good opportunity for a family-friendly getaway. Let's start. Ain Zoo is the largest man-made safaris in the world, focused on sustainability and conservation efforts in the UAE. Tickets are affordable, starting at AED 30 for adults and 10 for kids, with amazing options for families and VIP experiences like Ain Safari and animal feeding sessions. Log on to official website where you can see numerous options like camping facilities for kids. Trust me, there is something for everyone here. Ain Zoo operates daily from 9 am to 6 pm. While the zoo has offered special events like night safaris and camping experiences, these are typically seasonal and not part of the regular schedule. Ain Zoo is home to over 4,000 animals from 200 species, including lions, tiger, cheetahs, giraffes, and even penguins. One thing that sets Ain Zoo apart, it is dedication to conservation. Rare animals like the Arabian oryx and white lions find a safe haven there. And the zoo plays a key role in global breeding and reintroduction programs. The bird show at Ain Zoo is an exciting spectacle showcasing a variety of birds, including falcons, owls, parrots, and hawks. Visitors can witness these magnificent creatures perform impressive stunts, display natural behaviors, and learn about their habitats and conservation. It combines education and entertainment, celebrating avian beauty and the UAE's falconry heritage. The Sheikh Zayed Research Learning Center offers an immersive experience combining history, science, and culture. This building is an art itself and one of the coolest and impressive architectural designs we have ever seen. It's a must visit while visiting the Ain Zoo, and no additional charges required. Timing is as same as the Ain Zoo and is located inside the compound. For more information, check the description below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more amazing travel content and leave a like. And if you have any queries, feel free to comment.